All right, guys, we got this F-150 Platinum here with a 3.5. What do you guys think is in here for today? Oh, that's nice. That's nice, but that's not the only thing it's here for today. Let's go take a drive in this thing. Can y'all take a guess and tell me what you think else is going on with this? This is a 3.5 with a 10-speed. So if you didn't know, you can click this button here and it will show you your gears up on your screen. There's our numbers there. If you didn't know, if you want to get rid of those, you just click this button. Jake drove it the other day. He told me it was doing some funky stuff, so we're gonna see. You know, it's crazy to me, these brand new trucks come in. I mean, this thing's got 89,000 miles on it. We got cam phasers and we got 10R80. This is gonna be a $10,000 ticket easy. And that's if we don't have an oil pan leak or anything else. 1.3 was all right. Yep, we neutral. Going to, oh boy, what is that? Shift there, 4 to 6. Oh my goodness, we lost it. Yep. She don't know what in the hell is going on here. But yeah, on these 10 speeds, everybody always calls me with like these real specific problems. Like, it's only doing it from 4th to 5th or from 6th to 7th. When this CDF drum moves, it loses fluid pressure to that drum. It can affect all of the clutches there. It will make it do some really funky stuff. Another very common issue you see with the 10-speed, the outer shell problem. That happens a lot of the time. It can make them do some very intermittent stuff. Won't do it every time, but we'll do it, you know, occasionally. Oh my God, we're neutral. We're neutral. I'm on the floor. Oh, there we go. She had to think about it for a second. We'll see what she does at some throttle. It's crazy how good they'll shift it. Wide open throttle, and the reason they shift so good at wide open throttle is because we're dumping all the line pressure. We don't care if it's leaking because we're putting it all to it. See what happened. Look at this. Look at this. I'm doing 60 mile an hour. Just went to first. Holy shit! Just went to first gear, people. I'm glad it didn't actually go to first gear. Man, I tell you guys, I love these 10-speed. Any of you guys got shops out there work on 10 speeds? Are y'all as busy as we are? Because I'm telling you, I cannot build these things fast enough for people. I think we got about 4 sitting out here right now. And you know, there's only one of me. 10R80. You gotta love them, man. So we're gonna get this thing up on the lift. We're gonna pull this bad boy out in record time. Record time would be, I don't know, something south of maybe, I don't know, 45 minutes. I don't know, me and Jake, we done one time after we left the dealer at the house, and we timed it on the way back in, and we had it from start to finish in 38 minutes. But that was with 2 people, so you know, it might not be accurate for 1 person, but I think I can have it out in less than an hour probably, which we're gonna have to let her cool off for a minute. Let that exhaust cool down. Got her down. There's the old ones. We're gonna get those bad boys off of there and get some updated new style that won't rattle anymore put on. New updated phasers installed. See the difference? You got this big encasing around them. This right here permanently fixes the cold start rattle problems on the Gen 2 3.5s. If you're wondering what Gen 2 is, 17 to 2020. All right, guys, we got this thing tore down. If you're wondering what's wrong with it, the 10 speeds typically don't really have any burnt clutches. See the F's have a little bit of wear. I think that's gonna be because of this problem here that's just now starting. You see the indentions beat into that outer shell. It's one of the most common things we see, and the most common thing here, which it has moved just a little bit, is our bushing inside the CDF drum. We'll slide. You can see how we have holes protruding right. You can see that right there. Yeah, that shouldn't be there at all. It will damage this seal right here. This one's not super bad, but it did roll it just a hair. So obviously we're putting a updated CDF drum, gonna fix this problem permanently, and we're getting rid of this junk right here, this trash can, for this black one here, which is hardened material, not supposed to beat out. So other than that, we're definitely gonna be doing some new clutches. We got all new seals for this thing. We're gonna do a new torque converter, and we got a brand new valve body. That's not it, but we got a brand new one. We'll see what this thing shifts like after we get it back in the truck. All right, new cam phasers, updated cam phasers are in here. We got the 10 speed all fixed up. Let's see what this thing sounds like now with the updated cam phasers. Beautiful. So it got a little bit of that wastegate rattle, but if you own a 3.5 Ecoboost, you understand when I say that's just something you got to learn to deal with. Let this thing warm up a little bit, check the fluid, and then we're going to go drive this thing, see what the trans shift's like. All right, guys, we'll let this truck sit out here a couple days. Let's see what it sounds like. I bet it don't rattle anymore. Beautiful. No more rattle. Let's see what it shifts like now, guys. keep in mind, we completely rebuilt this transmission. New CDF drum, new outer shell, new clutches, new converter, new valve body. Holy shit, is it hot in here, man. Let's see what this temperature gauge says. It does move. It goes forward and backwards. Making progress. Oh my God, people. Oh my God. Y'all wonder why it takes me so long to fix y'all's damn vehicle. That's why. Ain't got no air conditioning. We're already in third. There's fourth. 6. We'll skip a couple gears. She's shifting like butter now, though. Bushing had moved just a little bit on the seal. It wasn't real bad. We see a lot of them that are just on the verge. Then we also see some of them that people just drive the piss out of them and don't care. And those move a lot. So, yeah, I'd say another successful rebuild here. I'd say it's definitely disheartening, though. Still seeing the mileage on this thing. We got 90,000 miles, and we just done $10,000 worth of work to this truck. 10R80 overhaul, cam phasers. Two most common things I see, you're gonna experience them if you have a 17 to 22 F150. Well, 17 to 19 F150 on the cam phasers, but 17 to 22 on the 10-speed transmission, and the same thing for the Expeditions, guys. So if you have one of these 10 speeds, I'm telling you, you will not find another shop that does them for the price that we do them at, and replaces all the parts that we do. Now, we could just go in there and hawk a CDF drum in it, and it probably would have shifted just as good, but we like to ensure. I've just seen repeat failures and things that can happen, and a lot of our customers come from a long ways away, and I just don't like there being any possibility or chance that, you know, this thing's going to come back to see me. So we like to do it all, but I promise you guys, you will not find a cheaper price. We rebuild these things right at $6,000. If you have a 10R80 or some cam phasers, come holler at us. You can contact us, contact@flyingwrenches.com. That's our email. Feel free to hit us up. We'll be more than happy to give you an estimate. Peace, guys.